Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of outdoor decor. If you're looking to spruce up your patio or deck, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring the top 5 best outdoor side tables that not only add style to your outdoor space, but also serve a functional purpose. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Let's get started. Number 1. Keter Side Table with 7.5-gallon beer and wine cooler. If you're looking for a practical and super functional outdoor table, the multitasking Keter Rattan Drink Cooler Patio Table is for you. Although it looks like classic rattan, it's made from a durable resin designed to prevent rusting, peeling, and other weather-related casualties. But the real star of this table is the 7.5-gallon hidden cooler. With a quick pull, the tabletop lifts 10 inches to turn into a bar table and reveals a hidden cooler that holds up to 40 12-ounce cans and keeps them cold for up to 12 hours. When the party is over and the ice is melted, cleanup is a breeze. Simply pull the plug and drain the cooler. Assembly is easy, too. With a few twists of a screwdriver, you're ready to go. At just under 14 pounds, this table is lightweight when the cooler isn't filled, so it's easy to move where needed. One issue we found is that even when closed, the cooler tends to collect water when it rains. Given the versatility, the price is more than reasonable. Number 2. Adams Manufacturing Plastic Quick Fold Side Table. If you need an extra end table on your patio while entertaining, or you like the ability to easily fold up a table and store it, the Adams Manufacturing Quick Fold Side Table is a versatile option. This table is great for its durability, lightweight portability, and generous Adirondack-style tabletop size that's large enough for food and drinks or for displaying a lantern or outdoor decor piece. This table folds flat for out-of-the-way storage, and it easily supports up to 25 pounds. Constructed of a fade and weather-resistant resin, this table can withstand the elements and is easy to clean and maintain. Available in 11 colorways, this table will coordinate with your existing backyard furniture, and it's so reasonably priced you can buy more than one. Number 3. Christopher Yitahome Selma Acacia Accent Table. This stylishly slatted Selma Acacia accent table adds coastal flair to your patio or pool deck. Made from weather-protected acacia wood, this affordable table gives you a place to set down your drinks and display a plant or citronella candle. The curved legs add a fresh design touch to the table, and the natural wood grain looks clean and elegant. The solid acacia wood frame is strong, durable, and rot-resistant. It's UV protected, and although it resists moisture, it isn't waterproof. You can periodically treat the acacia wood with oil to keep it looking good, but generally, you can just clean it with soap and water. This table is lightweight and easy to move around, and it's available in teak and gray. Some assembly is required, but tools are provided, and the instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 4. Yitahome 10-piece Outdoor Patio Furniture Dining Set. There's nothing better than feeling comfortable while dining, and the Yitahome 10-piece Outdoor Patio Furniture Dining Set does the job. Its cushioned L-shaped couch surrounds its high-top table perfectly and is a great combination of relaxation and dining. Remove its dining table and you have a casual place to hang out, the best of both worlds. Plus, the contrasting light brown and black cushioning of this set is perfect for a boho space. Number 5. Walker Edison Maui Modern 6-piece Solid Acacia Wood Slatted Outdoor Dining Set. This solid acacia wood dining set from Walker Edison is a beautifully crafted modern option that has a rustic flair. This patio dining set comes with a bench that can seat 2 to 3 people and 4 chairs. The best part about this dining table is that it's extendable, so you'll have plenty of space to host guests and your summer spreads. And there you have it, our 5 top picks for the best outdoor side tables. Whether you prefer a touch of elegance, space-saving solutions, rustic vibes, modern marvels, or multifunctional delights, there's a perfect side table for every outdoor style. Check the links in the description below. I mentioned each product. And let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.